This video is going to tell you how to respond to Groupanizer Attendance messages, and also tell you and show you how to get into the My Events section of our Groupanizer website, our Soounds of Aloha website, and how to check your response to all the events for the next year, or whatever period of time you wish. First, let me emphasize the importance of your making a response and the importance of your keeping your list of My Events up to date. Your section leader, your director, and the people who plan the events and commit the chorus to attending them need to know whether or not there are going to be enough singers and the spread of the singers by part to make that event and to make it happen and make it happen well. They need to know, and only you can tell them whether you're going to show up or not. This is what a Groupanizer attendance message looks like. The subject is Groupanizer attendance message. And the text of the message tells you what the event is that they're asking you about. This one is the Honolulu Chorale Community Chorus Festival, and it came to me on Friday, February 23rd, 2018. It asks you, are you attending? And asks you to click one of these three, yes, maybe, or no. Let me emphasize that if you're not sure, don't just leave it as no response and do nothing. Click the maybe. It lets the people that are trying to organize this event know that you personally have seen this and are thinking about it, and that you will very hopefully decide soon whether it's a yes or a no. Farther down on the Groupanizer attendance message, you can see all sorts of information about that event. The date, the time, the location, even there's a link where you can click, it says Google Maps, then it will bring up a Google map showing you exactly where the event is. Now let's talk just a little bit about how to get into your Groupanizer Soounds of Aloha website and check on all your events to see which ones you still need to make a decision on. Go to the website and click on Members Only. And if you're like me and you have a password saved in your computer, you can log in directly. If not, call ISKA or another administrator of the Soounds of Aloha website and ask for a new password. When you get to Members Only, which, by the way, if you don't have it saved in your computer, if you don't have it saved as a favorite, it's https://soundsofaloha.org. That's all you need to put in, and that'll bring you to the place where you can click Members Only. When you have clicked Members Only and signed in, you want to go to the place that says My Events and click on it. When you do, you will see each one of the events for the future, and over on the right, your decision that you have already made as to will attend, might attend, will not attend, or no response. And you want to go down and get the no responses with a response soon. To do that, you simply click on the drop-down menu on the right, and you can change it to will attend. If you do that, you will help the movers and the shakers in this organization considerably.